Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you how to identify the right and wrong side of your work, as well as where to insert your crochet hook when working amigurumi projects. So you've completed your magic circle, congratulations, that's quite the achievement, and you'll continue to work with the right side facing you. So you'll see how nice and neat this looks. And if I flip it over, here is the wrong side, or inside as I like to call it. So the tail should be on the inside of the piece. So with the right side facing you, you'll be able to see the front loop of the next stitch here and the back loop just here. And this V is the stitch that you'll want to work into. So I'll continue to work the next round. And now you can clearly see the V's of the stitches on the right side facing you. And if I flip it over, here is the wrong side, or as I like to call it, the inside of the piece. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more. And feel free to leave a comment. And I will see you next time.